Imagine Earth's whole history compressed into a single day. On this scale, humans only appear in the final seconds, just before midnight. Everything we have ever built, cities, civilizations, technology, occupies only a tiny fraction of our planet's incredible story. But how did Earth become the only known world filled with life? Let's travel through 4.6 billion years of history. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system formed from a massive cloud of gas and dust. Gravity pulled this material together, creating the young sun and the rocky planets. The early Earth was nothing like today. Its surface was a glowing ocean of molten rock. Then, disaster struck. A Mars-sized planet called Theia slammed into Earth.
The impact released unimaginable energy. Debris from this collision eventually came together to form our moon.
The moon stabilized Earth's rotation and axial tilt, creating conditions that would later support life. Without that collision, Earth might have been a completely different world.
As Earth cooled, oceans formed across its surface. Hydrothermal vents released hot, mineral-rich water.
Scientists believe these extreme environments may have been the birthplace of life.
Eventually, the first self-placating organisms appeared.
Billions of years later, tiny cyanobacteria began producing oxygen through photosynthesis.
This triggered the Great Oxidation Event. Although oxygen was toxic to many early organisms, it transformed Earth's atmosphere forever. This change paved the way for more advanced forms of life.
Hundreds of millions of years later, Earth experienced one of its most extreme climate events.
The planet may have frozen almost completely. Scientists call this period Snowball Earth. Ice covered vast oceans, stretching from pole to pole. Eventually, volcanic eruptions released enormous amounts of carbon dioxide. The greenhouse effect warmed the planet. The ice melted. Soon after came one of evolution's greatest milestones, the Cambrian Explosion. Within a relatively short geological period, complex multicellular life rapidly diversified. Life eventually moved onto land. Plants covered the continents. Insects grew larger. Then came the age of dinosaurs. For nearly 150 million years, these incredible animals ruled Earth. Some grew longer than school buses. Others became fierce predators. But about 66 million years ago, everything changed. A massive asteroid struck Earth.
After ruling the Earth for millions of years, most dinosaurs disappeared forever.
Yet this catastrophe created an opportunity for another group of animals to thrive: mammals. Over millions of years, mammals evolved into primates. Eventually, one species developed remarkable intelligence. Humans. In only a tiny fraction of Earth's history, humans transformed the planet. We built cities, created agriculture, explored the oceans, landed on the moon, and began searching the universe for other worlds. From space, Earth appears as a fragile blue dot, the only known planet where life exists. Earth is about 4.6 billion years old, but its future is running out of time.
Scientists estimate it may remain habitable for roughly another 5 billion years before the sun's evolution changes everything.
But humanity's future depends on the choices we make today.
Will we protect this extraordinary world? Will we become a civilization that explores the stars?
Or will we create another chapter of extinction? Earth's greatest story is still being written.
And for the first time in its history, one species has the power to decide what happens next.
The next chapter is ours. Thanks for watching.